Hello everyone. After watching the video 10 Strangest Planets in Space, I found that my two favorite was TRES 2b. I just love how dark it is and the red, like the red molten light that reflects off of it. It's very vampire-like, and that's really what I like. The second one that I really found interesting was Kepler 438b. I found that interesting because it's very Earth-like, and I found it so interesting that I researched it, and I found a comment on the internet that said it's 470 light years away. So sending a probe would kind of be pointless because it would take hundreds, if not thousands of years for it to reach there. So I think our technology would have to advance before we could even reach that planet to see if there is other living things there. Thank you.